weather in your side?
Yes, yes, yes. Weather is because it is winter season going on in my Bihar, and you know very well that Bihar, Jharkhand, and UP, Haryana, Punjab comes under the North Indian, and North Indian having a lot of fog and mist also available always, starting from after Chhat Puja, means after Diwali, and up to through the February month, continuously going on.
It remains same from like no that from Deepavali.
Yes, yes, starting from Deepavali up to the February month, starting of the February month, it will be
Yes.
continue.
First week or second week? Yes. After second
One season will come, no, and after
yes.
that, after the starting of autumn season, just fog and mist automatically goes out.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So may I know something about you?
Yes, yes, yes. Means that you want my introduction. Okay, okay. So I am going to tell my introduction, ma'am. So this is Rajiv Kumar in front of you, and I am connecting from Bihar. I am a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher. And nowadays, I have joined this app, a Skype app, only for speaking purpose.
Okay. So by profession you are a farmer.
Yeah, yeah. My main occupation is farmer, and sometimes I teach student for getting extra money.
Oh, let's say you are a tuition teacher, I can say.
Yes, 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 yes. But this is not my compulsory business. But my farming is my main purpose, main business.
Yeah, okay. Your main profession is farming.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So what do you cultivate?
yeah, yeah. Because it is the month of December, and I am cultivating wheat, and means that wheat is growing in my our field. And also I am growing different kind of vegetable, just like lady finger, potato, tomato, cabbage, cauliflower, and capsicum. Also I am growing in my field.
Okay. So do you have helper?
Yeah, yeah, because sometimes and regularly I am working with my family member, just like my elder sister, my elder brother, and my mother and my father and me also. But sometimes I keep, when our work load increase, that time I use some worker of my village, and I pay him 400 rupees and 500 rupees per day. But sometimes when work is increasing, no, only at that time I am keeping some village worker.
Okay. At that time you keep some village worker.
Yes, 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 yes. But I think that with my all family member, I like to work in my field, because we know very well know how to farm and how to do the things. So worker sometimes don't like to go, and sometimes they comes late, and they demand more money for doing one day work.
So what is the price of 1 kg tomatoes?
Yes, yes, 20 rupees per kg I am selling to the vendor, and vendor comes to my village, and green grocer also comes to my village, and I just per kg gives to the vendor, and vendor goes to the market, and they sit on the footpath or any chalk, and in any vegetable market, and just they sell to their customer. I am not sitting on the market. I am just selling to the vendor.
Hand over to the like no the wholesaler.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So 1 kg you sell in 20
20 rupees.
for 20 rupees for 20 rupees. But
Yeah, yeah,
it
but sometimes price is decreasing, because you know
for
very well.
rupees.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now we
And
have
means that
tomatoes.
if I am selling 20 rupees per kg tomato to the vendor, or vegetable seller or fruit seller, so that time on the other hand they sell 10 rupees extra, means 40 rupees per kg they are selling to the customer.
Yes, because they also like they have a car. They add some car fare, so many things. So that's why.
Yeah. And sometimes I have to face many problem, because sometimes I have to decrease our price, because other villagers and other farmers are also producing more and more tomato. No, so that time, that time I have to give at a low price to the vendor, because you know very well, ma'am, that higher the price, lower the demand, and lower the price, higher the demand.
So you face losses or profits?
Yeah, sometimes I face losses, and sometimes I get profit, but not higher profit, but somewhat profit I am getting, because
Okay.
not a single person producing that tomato. No, other person of the villagers are also their main occupation is also farming. So other villagers and other farmer are also producing the commodity and the vegetables just like me.
Okay. And what is the price of potatoes?
Yes. 15 rupees per kg I am selling. But yeah, truly saying,
15 rupees per
yeah,
kg. Oh
yes.
my.
What I am selling in bulk, I am selling in one basket and two basket and one bora, two bora, and 500 kg just selling to the vendor.
Okay, but we purchase for like no 40 rupees. Now it's price is now price has decreased, so we purchased 1 kg potatoes for 35 rupees.
Yes. But you are purchasing in the market. No, you are not purchasing from the village farmer. So that's why.
Yes.
Yeah. I am showing you something. Okay, just recognize that what is this. You know very well that I am studying my farm field, just cabbage, cauliflower, and I will show you this capsicum also, and I will show you cauliflower. Okay, just I am turning my back camera, and I will show you. Just please wait. Feel after watching my farm field.
It's amazing. It's amazing. You are a very hardworking person. So I want to know your opinion that from where you got this like no opinion that you wanna improve your communication skill, whereas you have told me that your main profession is farming. You are a by profession you are a farmer. So from where you got this idea?
Oh, how to learn English, or why to learn English? No, this idea you want to know about me. Okay. Because I was Hindi medium starting from childhood up to the class 12. Uh, I was doing Hindi medium. So on that time, no. So I was Hindi medium. So other school are also, I was also available in English medium. But on that time, my father was a farmer, and my father financial condition was not so good. So father did not send me to the English medium school. But I forced my father many times when I was child, that father, please get admission of me to the English medium student. And other students was also going to the English medium student for getting English knowledge. So on that time, father told me that you if you will have to study, so you will have to be in the Hindi medium and government school. So on that time, father did not send me English medium school due to lack of money and due to lack of financial condition. So that time, when I was in class 12, so I really wanted to again want to how to speak English. But I joined some coaching center, but the teacher taught me only how to translate from Hindi to English. But again, translation did not help me a lot, and the translation did not give me idea how to speak English in front of the people and how to face the people, just like public speaking. But I did not leave my practice, and from last 2 years I have been watching South Indian movie dubbed in English, and after that I my listening power I increased. Okay, and after that, but I couldn't speak. But I have been also watching English conversation video. But one day I was watching English conversation video in the YouTube channel. Then I saw some people and some men and boys were conversing with each other, and they were telling about a Skype app. So on that day, means that it was 10 days before the Durga Puja, I joined this app, and after that I continuously speaking with different kind of person, just like you and just like other and just like ma'am. So after that I am getting much profit from this Skype app, and I am learning a Skype app, and today I can frankly saying that I have got a lot of knowledge from Skype app and social media app, and social media, this is just like Skype app taught me English.
That's it. Wow. That means since your childhood you have a great penchant for this language, but due to some reason you, because of your financial condition was not good, that's why your father couldn't send you to English medium school. But finally now you have got chance and you are working on your communication skill. It's really hats off.
Yes, yes, thank you for giving me and motivating me such like. And nowadays I am getting confidence also, and I am not thinking that what I am speaking with front person. I am not thinking, but I am whether I am doing mistake or I am doing a mistake, and I am whether I am making mistake or truly right saying. I am saying rightly in front of you, but I am not thinking. But means that I have to speak, then I have to speak. Just I have made a plan.
It means I wanna speak English anyhow. I'm ready to face all the challenges, but I want to be fluent in this language. It's really good.
Yes, yes, yes. You can see sister behind me. This have been also have been made some drain at a distance of at a distance of 2 meter, at a distance of 2 meter. You can see no drain. You are watching
Okay.
drain. Tomorrow I will also pumpkin. I will plant the seeds. I will plant the seed of pumpkin.
Okay. Tomorrow you will, okay, plant pumpkin seeds, pumpkin.
Yeah, pumpkin seed. I will give pumpkin seed under the ground,
Okay.
and after that 10 days back they will nurture, and I will nurture after planting.
Okay. So how does it takes time to grow?
Yes, because tomorrow if I will give seeds under the ground tomorrow, so after 6 days and after 7 days it will come out from the earth. Okay, and after that I will give cow dung. Okay, the powder kind of cow dung I will give at the root of this of that baby plant of pumpkin. And after that I will cultivate again. I will just cultivate at the root, and I will again give DAP, potash, urea, but I am not using more DAP, potash, urea because
Not good for
DAP,
our
potash, urea is not a good for making fertilizing for soil. But I am just using more and more cow dung, because I am also having cow and two buffalo also I am having. So in my houses there is no lack of cow dung and natural dung. Okay, manure
resources.
is also available in my home, so I will give my own natural dung at the places of the pumpkins plant. And after that they suddenly growing, and after 1 month they will increase their size of plant. And after 1 month, means that after 1 month and half month they will start and after that if once they give flower, and after that they start giving their fruits. Because you know very well, sister, that in the biology books we have studied in class 6 and 7 that before first plant gives flower, and after that they pollinate, and after that they gives fruits.
Yes. Okay. Yes, yes, it's true. So okay, so it's 21 minutes.